For this skill, we were asked to create an equation for a conic as shown up here, which is x minus 12 squared over 169 plus y squared over 25 equals to 1. Then we were asked to put that into polar form, which you see over here, which is r equals e times k over 1 minus e cosine theta. So first, I'm going to find eccentricity, which is the e, because it's like the most common in this equation. So to do that, I know that e is equal to c over a. And to find c, I just do c squared equals a squared minus b squared. So I would do a squared, which is 169, minus b squared, which is 25, which equals 144. And then the square root of 144 equals 12, which means my c is equal to 12. So this gives me my c over a to be 12 over 13. And then to find k, which is the location of the directrix, I would set that equal to pf over pd, since these are all equal to each other. So to do that, I know that my point to focus is 1, because in a conic where the focus is at the origin, the distance from the vertex in this case will always be 1, because my major axis is 26 long, but my from focus to focus it's only 24, meaning there's only that gap between there's only like a 1 unit gap between the vertex and the focus, which is at 0, 0. So that means this is 1. So I then cross multiply, and then you find p and divide by 12, and you find that PD is equal to 13 over 12. And then for this, because the vertex is out to the left and to the right of the focus by 1, that means that you have to add that value to find the point to directrix, and eventually that will, and this is point to directrix, but you have to add the extra 1 because that would be from origin to true directrix, which is the true location of the directrix. So this would be 13 over 12 plus 12 over 12, which gives you 25 over 12. So this gives you 25 over 12 times your eccentricity, 12 over 13, and that is put up here, and over 1 minus 12 over 13 cosine theta. And so what that gives you is that you can multiply everything by 13 and to get rid of these ugly fractions, allowing you to get your final answer, which is r equals 25 over 13 plus 12 cosine theta.